Honor societies come in all shapes and sizes, from the National Honor Society to many foreign language societies to even technical societies. But it's hard to notice the new kid on the block, like Music Honor Society Tri-M. Tri-M, short for Try Music, is a music honor society founded on the idea to unite all three branches of music underneath one roof in order to give back to their respective communities through acts of music. Amanda Zoll, an orchestra teacher for both South and North, is the leading sponsor for Tri-M, founding Tri-M last year.
Well, when I first started teaching in District 99, I started a Tri-M chapter over at North, I inherited a Tri-M chapter at North, and I looked over at the South community and thought, why don't we have one of these? All of these students are amazing. They're great leaders. They're great examples for our community, and they're also just doing the Tri-M things that they should be anyway, so why not start a chapter?
And start an honor society she did. On September 28th, e-board elections were held for Tri-M. One of the returning e-board members was Tri-M President Gavin Schnall.
I do Tri-M for a variety of reasons, the largest being I'm really into giving back with my abilities in music. I heard of the opportunity to do Tri-M here at South. I immediately jumped on it. And yeah, it's just another way for me to be able to give back with my abilities and not keep them for myself.
In Downers Grove with Blueprint News Network, I'm William Elliott.